Massive chainsaws bring trees crashing down. One falls into power lines and sparks fire. A snow machine fails. A vehicle accident ends without serious harm. And another fallen tree damages a house. Welcome to Extreme Engine, where raw power meets impossible terrain. If you love extreme machines, hit like and subscribe. Amazing to watch. A man circles the tree, carefully adjusting the cutting angle. The left side has been pre-cut at a tilt, guiding the fall. With perfect timing and control, he completes the cut, and the tree drops exactly as planned, proving he has mastered the craft. Smooth, steady, reliable. Holy moly. A man cuts the tree as it suddenly leans left toward a nearby house. My heart drops. In seconds, the trunk crashes down, smashing the roof completely. Oh my God. On a muddy, slippery road, a truck hauls extremely heavy logs forward. Suddenly, the front wheels lift off the ground, losing balance in a tense moment. The load shifts dangerously as the driver struggles to regain control. It's truly edge of your seat, watching every second unfold with risk, skill, and raw determination. Epic journey on a muddy, sinking road. A red tractor hauls extremely long logs in an action-packed journey. The driver moves forward and backward to build momentum, then escapes the mud with a loud roar. Power and precision define every move, keeping the moment edge of your seat. That's unbelievable. Steel MS-261CM is a professional mid-range chainsaw, 50.2 cubic centimeters, 3.0 kilowatts, 16 to 20 inches. HD2 filter ensures durability. Anti-vibration reduces fatigue. This powerhouse delivers reliable cutting performance for demanding forestry tasks. Impressive. The worker guides the chainsaw around half the trunk, creating an angled cut to control the fall, showing he has mastered the craft. As the tree drops, he trims branches and cuts the trunk into sections smoothly and lightly, each motion controlled. The process feels precise and fluid, ending with brute strength with surgical precision. Breathtaking, giant logs freshly cut lie along a steep hillside as a driver handles a super load. He continuously retracts the cable, building pulling force while it is attached to the log on the ground. Power, precision, control. Every movement feels edge of your seat as the machine steadily overcomes gravity and terrain with controlled force. Impressive balance. Workers guide the massive log along a planned path, showing they are very skillful. They steer it across a shallow stream, then continue pulling it up a slope toward the transport vehicle. Every step is controlled and coordinated, ending with brute strength with surgical precision. Remarkable. A worker climbs a tall tree without any safety equipment or protective gear, using only a rope to pull his chainsaw up. This is extremely dangerous. Viewers should never attempt to follow or copy this risky action.
Very skillful, the worker moves carefully along the branches, showing pure skill and precision in every action. He wraps large branches close to his body, securing balance while reaching one hand out to control the chainsaw, preventing any fall. It is a rare and intense scene where every cut is calculated with accuracy, allowing him to slice through thick branches smoothly and safely. His control over the saw and body position works together in perfect coordination. Each branch falls exactly where intended, avoiding unnecessary risk below. After cutting, the logs are gathered into sections and loaded onto trucks for transport to processing sites. The entire process flows with control and confidence, ending with quick, clean, efficient. That's crazy. Yanmar VIO 30-6 is a compact stump grinding machine powered by a 27.3 horsepower engine, delivering 23.5 kilonewton bucket breakout force. This workhorse, known as Crusher, tackles stubborn roots with precision. The operator has mastered the craft, guiding the head to grip the stump as it shaves layers away, digging deeper to destroy hidden roots underground. When cutting dulls, he sharpens the blade to restore efficiency, maintaining brute strength with surgical precision.
Impressive. On a muddy, deeply sunken road, a blue tractor pushes through with massive logs under brutal conditions. Skill, timing, control. The driver conquers the route with superior pulling force, balancing traction, weight, and direction at every moment. While driving, he also operates the hydraulic arm, using the tracked system to stay stable as each log is gripped and lifted onto the rear bed. Then, at the destination, the machine reaches out again and places the logs down with controlled precision. From loading to unloading, every movement is separated, but perfectly connected, turning a dangerous hauling job into a smooth, disciplined transport performance. That's crazy. EcoForce T-Winch 10.3 is an iron giant built to support traction on extreme slopes. With maximum pulling force of 150 kilonewtons, 500 meters cable length, top pulling speed of 4 kilometers per hour, 125 kilowatts power, and weight from 7,050 to 7,800 kilograms, it stands firm with a front blade for added stability. Controlled remotely by radio, it anchors a cable to the Komatsu 931XC, helping the harvester resist sliding and stay secure on steep mountain terrain. Strength. Komatsu 931XC is a powerful harvester with 190 kilowatts, operating weight from 19,880 kilograms, maximum felling diameter of 660 millimeters, and feed speed up to 5.0 meters per second. Its tracked system grips every surface firmly, reducing tilt and slippage on difficult ground. The hydraulic arm wraps around the tree, delivers a smooth cut, and moves gently from one position to another with full control. Powerful, steady, precise in every motion, this machine is truly built for tough terrain. Amazing. The stubborn machine goes to work with very skillful control on the steep mountainside. Pulled backward uphill by cable, it loads its bunk full with cut logs using the hydraulic arm, then reverses toward the hilltop and unloads them at the gathering point. It does not cut or destroy. It simply hauls the biggest timber out with calm mechanical discipline. Smooth, steady, reliable.
Can't believe this.
This is insane. Noramat Valormax DM is a muscle built for high-capacity wood chipping, delivering up to 430 cubic meters per hour with 625 horsepower. Designed to process branches, logs, and whole trees, this machine turns raw timber into wood chips at extreme speed. Once the material enters the chamber, it crushes wood of every size with relentless force, and in the blink of an eye, it becomes a storm of shredded pieces. Pure industrial efficiency in one unstoppable system. Caterpillar, CAT 365CL is a devastator powered by the CAT C15 ACERT engine, delivering 404 horsepower, or 302 kilowatts, with an operating weight of 145,430 pounds. Its hydraulic system drives a bucket capacity of 2.5 to 4.0 cubic meters and reaches a maximum digging depth of 31.6 feet. This giant works in silence, erasing sections of earth like a machine that quietly wipes out entire hills, turning massive ground into manageable loads with relentless force. Amazing, the operator has the skills to match this giant machine. With only 4 to 5 decisive bucket loads, the Caterpillar, CAT 365CL, fills a haul truck completely, then moves on to the next one without wasting motion. Machine and driver work together like a busy bee, while the bucket acts like a giant hand, clawing hard-packed earth into broken pieces for easy loading. Every cycle is fast, controlled, and efficient, defined by power and precision. Impressive balance. The worker shows phenomenal confidence as each log, already cut to set length, is placed in position. The custom splitter drives through and breaks it into clean, neat firewood. Man and machine work in perfect rhythm, building a mountain of wood with remarkable output. Skill, timing, control. Shaking my head. The tank John Deere 1510G turns into a frozen nightmare after getting trapped in mud and snow. The machine cannot move at all, and I am holding my breath as rescue begins under falling snow. One recovery cable even snaps because the machine is simply too heavy. A grapple machine starts removing thick mud around it, while more rescue vehicles arrive one after another. Only late at night do they finally lift it free. The cause feels clear. Not enough observation, too much confidence. The lesson is simple. Always study the road carefully, because in this weather, the path can disappear completely.